So as we enter week 3, one of the things you're going to need to know how to do is to install the data analysis toolpak in Excel. So if we go to Excel, there are add-ons, but to add files for add-ons, rather than going through the ribbon menu, it's usually easiest to click on File and go all the way down to the bottom here where you see it says Options. And then you see the menu on the left side, one of the bottom ones just above the Trust Center is Add-ins. Now you'll see I have the data analysis toolpak and the solver add-in already added. Now we don't need the solver for this class, but you will need the data analysis toolpak and the analysis toolpak VBA. They work together. If you don't have those, you can go down here where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go, and then you can actually select them. The only one I don't have selected is the Euro Currency Tools. Like I said, you don't need Solver, but you should select the top two, Data Analysis, or the Analysis Toolpak and Analysis Toolpak VBA, and hit OK. And then it might take some time for them to be installed, and if they're not pre-installed. Most of the time, they're pre-installed and just not activated if you have Microsoft Excel. And then from there, when you click on the data menu, you'll see data analysis pop up over here. I have solver as well. That's where your add-ins will typically appear. Now, there are other spots where add-ins will appear on your menu. Actually, it's not appearing on mine. Anyway, there may be other spots where the word add-in appears on your ribbon menu. I've taken mine off so that I don't use that. It is always easiest to go through the file here and use that options like I showed you to install those. If you have any problems, please contact our help desk and they'll make sure they get those installed. We do need those installed by week 3 is typically when we start using those.